multiplication of algebraic expression. Multiplication of algebraic expression. First, we are going to discuss monomials multiplication. Product of two monomials. For example, the given two monomials 3x and 5x. These are the two given monomials. Find the product of 3x and 5x. Find the product of 3x and 5x. Now 3x into 5x and the monomial multiplication. First we need to multiply the coefficients of x. First coefficients product. What are those coefficients? 3 and 5. So the product of two coefficients 15. Next product of variables. Product of variables. What are those variables? Same like variables given 3x into x into x square. So the answer is 3x into 5x is equals to 15x square. First multiply the coefficients. Next multiply the variables. At the same time, for example, 3x and 5y. 3x and 5y. So multiply the 3x into 5y. So here multiply the constants are the coefficient 3 into 5 15. Again x into y xy. So the answer is 15xy. 15xy. Indirect method. So 10x into 5y. 10 5s are, first multiply the coefficient 15 x into y xy. X into y xy. This is the monomials multiplication. So here we are multiplying the terms directly. First multiply the coefficient terms. Next multiply the variable terms. Monomials multiplication, that is a monomial multiplication. Now binomial multiplication. For example, 5x plus 3y, it is a binomial, into 7x plus 6y. Okay, so first binomial multiplication concept. Multiply the first term, multiply the first binomial first term. What is the first term in the first binomial? 5x into second expression first term. So this is the first term. 5x into 7x, that is the first term, plus again the first term in the first expression into second term in the second expression, 5x into 6y, again plus. So now first expression second term into first expression, second term in first expression into first term in second expression, 3y into 7x plus again 3y into 6y. 3y into 6y. Now same as monomial multiplication. 7 into 5 35, x into x square plus 5 into 6 30, x into y xy plus 3 into 7 21, y into x into y or y into x both are same, so y into x into y both are same, plus 3 6 are 18, y into y square. So 35x square plus 30xy plus 21xy 18y square. See here xy 30xy 21xy. Both of them like terms xy. So the answer is 35x square plus 30xy plus 21xy. 51xy plus 18y square. So the answer of 5x plus 3y into 7x plus 6y. So the answer is 35 x square plus 51xy plus 18y square. This is the multiplication of binomial. Next, same trinomial also. Trinomial into monomial. Now next concept, monomial into binomial. Monomial into binomial. Easy one. 5x, the product of 5x into, take any term that is your wish, 10z plus 10y. Yes. Now monomial into first term, 5x into 10z. Next we need to take plus here. Next monomial into second term, 5x into 10y. So 5x into 10z. 5 into 10, 50. Always you need to multiply the quotients. 5x, 5 into 10z. So 5 into 10, 50. X into z, xz. Plus here 5 into 10, 50. X into y, xy. So monomial into binomial. That monomial term we need to multiply with the both the terms of binomial. So this is the concept of multiplication of algebraic expressions. Next, trinomial also there. Trinomial, 3 terms: monomial, binomial, trinomial. Trinomials. So this is the lengthy one. 3x plus 2y plus 4z into the product of trinomial into trinomial, and 5x plus 4z 4y into 6z. Okay. Now first term into first term, 3x into 5x, 3x into 5x, that is the first one, plus first into second, 3x into 4y, plus first into last, 3x into 6z, plus now first one completed, first one with the all the 3 terms in second one. The second one 2y into 5x plus 2y into 4y, 2y into 4y. So the continuation part I am writing here, 2y into 4y, again 2y into 6z. So plus second one with all the 3 terms in second expression over. Now third term, 4z into 5x, 4z into plus 4z into 4y plus 4z into last term 6z, 4z into 6z. Now multiply one by one. 3x and 5x, 3 into 5, 15, x into x square. Now 3 into 4, 12, x into y, xy, plus 3 into 6, 18, x into z, xz. Now 2 into 5, 10, x into y, xy, plus 2 into 4, 8, y into y square, plus 2 into 6, 12, y into z, yz, plus 4 into 5, 20, x into z, xz, plus 4 into 4, 16, y plus y into z, zy, 16 yz, plus 4 into 6, 24, z into z, z square. So 3 3s are 9 terms will come. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So now write down the like terms. Before that I am writing the square terms. 15x square plus 8y square plus then 24z square. So square terms over. Now next one, xy terms, 12xy, yes 10xy, 12 plus 10, 22xy. Is there any xy terms? No. So 12 plus 10, 22xy. plus xz. How many xz terms are there? Here xz, again here xz. 18xz, 12xz. Sorry, 18xz, again 20xz. So 38xz plus again. So xy over xz over yz. 12yz, 16yz. So 28yz. This is the solution of that problem. So 15x square plus 8y square plus 24z square plus 22xy plus 38xz plus 28yz. So this is the multiplication of algebraic expression, monomial, binomial, trinomial. So different monomial, binomial, trinomial multiplication discussion over. In the next class we will discuss division topic.